Oh, hi. Hey guys, it's me again, Dirty Kisha. So come along with me as I unwrap. Yes, you had me, unwrap. This one is not boxing because I guess it has to be in a box before you could say you are unboxing something, right? Okay, let's get straight into business. Alright, I've wanted to get a reading chair and table for the longest of time, and then I stumbled upon this reading chair and table you can see here on JIJI. Without wasting time, I contacted the supplier and she responded immediately and she delivered. Well, so far in my mind, I'm like, hope this is not a case of what I ordered versus what I got, because that's always been my fears about ordering online, because it's actually my first time ordering from JIJI. So I just decided to test the chair. Let me be sure that it's actually strong, where it was looking so fragile in my eyes, but then it was really very strong. I can say I'm very impressed. So I went ahead to unwrap the table, and the table was giving what it's supposed to give. Frankly speaking, I would say the chair and table was worth the price. I mean, it did not end in premium tier like I had expected. Alright guys, how much do you think I got this table and chair for? Leave your answers in the comment section. Alright then, see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.